Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to cover a topic how to download high quality movies on Amazon Prime Video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open your Prime Video application either on your mobile. I'm using an iPad, so I will open it here. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile and make sure that you're signed in to your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the setting gear icon. So once you tap on that one, it will bring you to this page. You will tap on streaming and downloads. So once you tap on streaming and downloads, just below here, you will find download quality. Tap here. It will bring you here, download quality, select your default download quality. Higher quality download takes longer and use more storage. So keep that thing in your mind. If you choose the best quality, 1 hour of video uses about 1.4 GB of data and storage. So if you choose the higher quality, it will consume more internet and it will take space on your storage device as well. So if you want to have high quality, just choose the best one and then go back and you can choose any video. I will just open this one and here is the download option. Just press on the download and the video will start downloading in high quality. So guys, this is all it takes to download high quality movies on Amazon Prime Video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Take a good care of yourself. Bye.